Some of the instructional shifts that we're seeing with science revolve around inquiry model, student-centered learning, and evidence-based instruction. It stems off of some information that the students were gathering from the EPA website regarding our own state of Illinois and the industries that release greenhouse gases in their emissions. Students had come to their own conclusions about some patterns they saw in the data regarding what types of industries are emitting the most greenhouse gases, and ultimately they got on this topic of looking at this whole debate between methane and carbon dioxide. So students had a list of questions that they had about the idea of methane and why we look at that instead of carbon, and we decided to use those questions as the basis for some research to do to further investigate this topic. Together we came up with kind of a bigger issue debate kind of question of which should we be looking more to, the methane issue or the carbon dioxide issue in problem solving. So these questions are the guiding point in our research that leading them to the debate that we'll be conducting next week. One of my students said to me at the end of class today, do you think we could do this as a Socratic seminar? The information that we're looking at, if you look at the data we're finding and, the kinds of opinions of people in our class, I think this would be a really good Socratic seminar topic. So we had a little bit of discussion about it, and we decided together that, it would be great for a Socratic seminar. So I think that epitomizes the idea of student-centered learning. They have ownership of the topic because it all stems from their own ideas and questions regarding a previous activity. They have ownership of their outcome in doing a Socratic seminar to share their information, and I'm still getting my educational needs met and able to formatively assess the verbal ability to use data-based evidence to support their claim.